you ever look at a sculpture and decide it's not what you wanted to portray? Do you ever
yeah.
take things apart and reuse the materials?
Yes, most definitely. Most definitely. Especially, this is sort of gestures. This is sort of my own portrait. So I do this theater on my head, on my body, on how these things should look like, what the gesture should look like. And sometimes I don't get that. So this is the...
Ooh,
So Federico never shows people this room, so this is really exclusive.
guys.
This is where I work. This is where I work. I'm building more coral reef. I'm building other things. Anyway, this is part of, this is the place where we work. Look, this is something that didn't work out. Something that I work a lot. I was weaving and weaving wire, and then at the end it didn't happen what I wanted to happen. Bueno, amigos, I did this. I hope you enjoy it.
So this coral reef, I just want to point out that we have an amazing coral reef installation as part of Animalia at MAM. It's one of my favorite parts of the show.
If you live by the sea, you can't not think about the garbage on it. So once you start seeing it, you don't need to do much research to find out that the islands of garbage are immense. So I wanted to reveal the beauty of coral reefs with garbage that I got from my friends, from the packaging of the objects we have to buy, things like that. These are from the crutches. You can't avoid the use of plastic, and it's so much of it. And I want to make this installation bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger to make a statement that is unforgettable experience. Maybe some we all get some conscious of the amount of plastic that we use.